What's the meaning of castigation? Castigation. Castigation.
Castigation. Castigation. Castigation means severe criticism or punishment for wrongdoing. Those who are subjected to castigation may suffer a variety of consequences. They may experience feelings of shame, embarrassment, or guilt as a result of their actions being publicly called into question. They may also face negative consequences such as being demoted, fined, or even fired from their job. In some cases, castigation can lead to damage to one's reputation and relationships, making it difficult to regain trust and respect from others. Ultimately, castigation can have a significant impact on one's personal and professional life.